Hi folks, Luca, SharperTrades. Market is pulling back. So we have this stubborn resistance at the simple time moving average, the 80 And so as long as price continues to remain below that, 555, we are still in this consolidation phase, expecting again a further retest. 548 is the level, and then below that we got the 50 SMA somewhere around 540. I'm expecting a retest of that until we see a reversal with better technicals. BA is doing some kind of reversal, bullish engulfing. When earlier was discussed in the trading room, didn't have much volume. Volume picked up, so this is a good pattern at the moment. It needs to take out this descending trend line. With there's some resistance here, 190. The targets, if it breaks out and sticks above the trend line, we have 195, 194, 200 SMA, 205, and then 214. Support is the 50 SMA, and today low, yesterday low, 177. Carnival Cruise Line, this one is a swing that is about to enter the position trade, I think, another 3 or 4 days, 3 days. They hit the first target, took a while, a month, got there. Technicals are bullish. It's setting up, looks like, for the next move to the upside. So this one still has a lot of potential, in my opinion. Market wasn't too happy today, but this one closed well. There were news, they're ordering new ships, call options is up, so that indicates interest in the company and growth. So see how far up it goes. 21, 22, 50, and then possibly 24 are the next targets. We are tightening stops now, 1870, 1770. S is a swing. Swing idea, yesterday, swing today. So it's testing some resistance at 2430. I like the look of this chart, very strong. I like the volume. It's in the cybersecurity, most likely capitalizing on CrowdStrike, the disastrous couple of days. So this one is a competitor of them. Targets here are 2560, 27, 2820, possibly 2960 is volatile, and our stops are at 23 and 22. Technicals, the volume just for the past 3 days, phenomenal. So expecting an extension, especially if it moves above yesterday. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.